Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we are going to show you how to replace the battery on the iPad mini 6 2021. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating is required for iPad screen removal from the body. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad devices, make sure to hit the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or something similar. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert few plastic pickers or cardboard tools and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the Araflex cables attached to the logic board. Next, lift the LCD screen gradually and tilt about 45 degrees from the bottom. Next, remove the plate by undoing 5 screws, and then disconnect the battery plug and 2 screen connector plugs from the body. Take out the screen and then take out the not working battery from the body. There are 4 adhesive tabs on the battery. Peel and extract the adhesive one by one. Next, use a pry tool to cut the adhesive to pull out the battery. But still, there are some sticky under the battery's PCB. Apply the heat to soften the glue or gently cut the adhesive using a pry tool. Take out the not working battery and then place a new battery in the body with adhesive. Secure the battery and then place the LCD assembly by connecting both plugs. And then secure the battery plug. Next, secure the shield by adding 5 screws. Next, before clamping, it is good to verify the screen functionality. And then secure the screen to the body by adding adhesive. You can use either B7000 glue or double-sided adhesive. To climb up the iPad mini 6, slide in the top section first, then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put the pressure on the frame sides. Finally, we are using screen binding clips to tie the screen to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on iPad mini 6. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.